Hello, I want to do the unboxing for this great product that I just bought from Shopee. I will give the link below, so you can, if you want it, then you can have it also. It's been a while in YouTube that people buy it from Amazon or what, and I bought this Shopee and it's very cheap, 20 something. About 30 ringgit. So this is Nevus pen, beauty mole removal, sweet spot pen, spot Nevus, spot scanning and removing beverage, not beverage. And you can remove tattoo also. So curls and fine needle, okay. And on the side, this simple Nevus pen. Beauty mode removal, sweet spot when using high and new technology irons to break the function of instantaneous and freckles. Oh, freckles, yes. Age spots, flat moles, and so on can achieve without bleeding. Quickly medical cosmetic effects, safe without side effect. Okay. So, unboxing what you will get in this box. So basically this is the product itself. Here there's a USB port to charge, 5 volt, and on off out is actually to when you want to operate, want to use the what does it call, ion, ion. So how to on is simply just press longer, and then this number 1, press shorter for number 2, number 3, number 4, number 5 until number 6, and the highest 6, and can remove freckles and everything. So it's nothing if you already put 6, but if you didn't press this, it will never go out, never operate. So you have when you when you want to remove all these freckles and moles and everything, so just press each time. Alright, and off. Then what does it come with the package? Okay. It comes with a needle, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 needles, which were the needles should be used with this screw, and if the usual freckles, moles that you want to do, actually just this is the head, so you just screw it inside. Screw it together, okay, and then like that. Okay, and another one, the USB charger. There's no head, you just give this one, and